In this video I will explain how to retie a loose thread on a sitar, and the required tools are a sharp knife and special type of sitar thread string or nylon fishing line. The first step is to remove the thread with a sharp knife. Take note of the curvature of the thread, as it must be replaced in its original position with the highest bend on the side of the tariff pegs. One can use a nylon fishing line or, as I use, original sitar thread silk. Cut a length of approximately 1 meter long. About 20 centimeters from the end, make a small loop and tie a knot. At this stage we have the loop with one short end and one long end. After placing the loop over the top end of the thread, we place the long end of the thread over the strings. With the short end of the thread we make a loop. Putting the long end of the thread over the short end, we pull down tightly and feed the thread under the neck and then over the groove in the lower end of the thread from right to left. Tightly pulling the thread back under the neck, we feed the thread over the top groove from left to right. Repeat this process, keeping the thread taut at all times. Holding the taut thread with the thumb, we place the end of the thread through the loop and pull down tightly. Pulling on the short end of the thread, we pull the loop taut and tie off with a couple of simple knots. Tidy up and cut the excess thread away. Check the thread and ready to go.